Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I recently posted a TikTok in this filming area. This is kind of like my makeup shrine, my makeup like area, I guess you could say. And I have like decorated what is behind me. I use the term decorate very lightly because it's kind of just like, stuff that I've gathered over the years that I kind of think is like cute to display. And I kind of wanted a whole designated area for something like this, like to have a background in my videos instead of just like my background, you know what I mean? I wanted something a little bit more organic, I guess you could say, because in my current filming situation, I can't have this kind of background, but in this situation, I can. So, it's a win-win. I posted it on TikTok and I had a few comments. Well, I posted on TikTok and on Instagram, and between the two, I had a total of 2 people ask me for a tour. So I'm here to do a little bit of a tour. It's not exactly, it's not the most exciting stuff, I guess you could say. Like I said, I've kind of just like put some stuff together and came up with this. So if you want to see what's on my makeup shrine, then keep on watching. Now, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to show this very efficiently, but we're just going to kind of roll with it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get behind the camera. This is kind of just, let me get out of frame. So this is kind of like the view of it, I guess you could say. This is like the view of it. So we have some stuff like, along the whole wall. It's a little bit organized. I wouldn't say it's the most organized, but it's got something going on, So yeah, let's just kind of walk through it. But under here, down here, are my shelves that I have full of makeup. I have already done that video on my channel, and I can link that down below. But yeah, that's what's down there. So that's not really exciting. Plus I have a little bit of a mess. So ignore that part. But let's see. I'm going to regroup a little bit. Hold on. Okay. So in this area, it's so weird being behind the camera. But we have, so again, a lot of this stuff is very like decorative. So it's nothing that's going to be like super like specific. And some of it is kind of random, honestly. I wouldn't say it's the most, like, cohesive area, but, one of those things. So starting over here, I have this box from Kylie Cosmetics. My lovely friend Kat that works with Kylie Cosmetics gave me one of these one time. It's like a little functioning box. Like, you can put stuff in here. Like, it's cute. It's like storage, but I use it as decoration. And behind there, you can see Maluma Baby. The one and only. And I have some back stock of candles. These are Bath & Body Works candles, of course. So I have Eucalyptus Rain. I have Island Papaya. And I have another eucalyptus. Oh, I have 2 Eucalyptus Rain. Me and my boyfriend love Bath & Body Works candles. Yes, they're full of carcinogens. Do we care? No. So, it's one of those things. In between here, I have all of my colognes and, fragrances. I want to say, they are not all colognes. I have Marc Jacobs Perfect. I have Chloe. I have the Bath & Body Works Gingham Vibrant. This was the, Taylor Swift Wonderstruck dupe. I have that in a spray and a perfume. But I have some of my favorites. Of course, I have my 2 polos, my Valentino, Azzaro Chrome, something fell. God is a Woman from Ariana Grande. That's a whole thing. I have it organized, but whatever. My bestie gave me Uno, Pokemon. I love Pokemon. Everybody, I think, knows that about me. I love Pokemon. This was a cute little, like, decoration that we had for an Ulta event. It's like a lip. I thought it was so cute. Like, just as, like, deco. I usually have a little, it's good. Things are gonna get wrecked right now, but it's just what it's gonna be. At Ulta, we carry one of my favorite artists, Ariana Grande. We carry her perfume line. So we have different displays for the perfume, and I'm able to keep, whenever the signage is done or like the display's over, I'm able to keep it. So These are from Mod Vanilla and Mod Blush. This is actually a cap from the Dolce & Gabbana fragrance Q for Queen. I have so it corresponds with K. This is the male version, K. As you can see, it has the little crown on top. I have a big one somewhere. If we shift over a bit, so another thing, we have some YSL. I have some YSL that were from an Ulta display that I just like kept. This Gucci bag my friend Norma Jean gave me. Love, she works with Gucci fragrances, and so she gave me one. And then we have kind of this, so I got this Anastasia like PR box, and I love it. I thought it's like so like high quality, so it like, I couldn't throw it away. Like, what was I gonna do? Throw it away? No, we're not doing that. So I kept that there. On top, I have the Makeup by Ariel and Morphe collab. No, why not? It definitely is, again, a solid box, so why wouldn't I keep it? Marc Jacobs, this is cute. This is like a little mirror. I'm not gonna put, this actually took a lot to set up, so whatever, I'm not picking it up. And then a little bit lower, I have all of my Pat McGrath palettes. So I have, oh my god, these are all so like, you know what, I'm not gonna clean it, whatever. So this is, of course, the Mothership, what are you? Divine Rose 2 palette. I think this was limited edition, but love these. I've used these in so many videos. I have five Pat McGrath palettes. So this is, I don't know which one this one is, but that's that one right there. I used this in a recent video. Here is Utopian Dream. This is one of my favorites. I love this palette. This one is Moonlit Seduction. Again, this is also one of my favorites. I love all the shimmers in here. They're amazing. And then the last one I have, again, doesn't have a name. Some of the older ones, like these are a little bit older. So the older ones don't have the names, which is, I mean, just a lot, but it's a Pat McGrath palette nonetheless. I like to display them up here because they're definitely more of a work of art than they are, you know, anything else. I have my box for REM fragrance. I have my God is a Woman box fragrance. I have these super cute little clips that Norma Jean gave me. My friend Norma Jean and Kat, I think, gave me this at an event one time. They're little like beret clips or something. They're like bobby pins, but they're Pride, so they're cute. Little Pride Marc Jacobs pins. Ah! I knew this was gonna be a mess. I knew it was gonna be a mess. Like, I knew it. See what I do? This is what I do, you guys. I sacrifice my sanity to show you. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is a little sponge, but it's strawberry. How cute. I don't remember where I got that. Probably Dollar Tree, honestly. Moving over, I have this Clinique box that Clinique sent me one time. I think as a training. I don't remember what it was for. And then I have my Pikachu Happy Meal boxes. Don't look at this one. This one has a little bit of a stain on it. But my Pikachu boxes from McDonald's, of course. Again, I love Pokemon. I just wanted to, and this is just not only makeup, but it's just like my safe space. So I love Pokemon. So I put those up because they're cute. And I wanted to display them because I just had them like in a corner. Behind that, I have a few other things. So I have this Ioni Cosmetics sponge set. It is the Calavera sponge set. It's cute. I haven't used any of the sponges in there. I don't know if I will because I have so many sponges that I probably need to get through before I even crack into that. So whatever. I have another Kylie box. Again, these were like just nice boxes, so I didn't want to throw it away. Here's another. This is a REM graphic that I have from when we had it was a displayer, I guess, at Worksy. Oh my god. And so I was like, we're done with it? Great, I'm taking it. Here's another Ioni. This is a lash book. So I know I have a few of these, and I've showed a few of these on my channel before. But this is 8 pairs of Ioni lashes. So I love, this is a great value. You can get these at Burlington for like $8, I think, or so. I think they've gone up in price. They're probably like $10 now, but really good still. I have the Kim Aid. No, I just have trash. No, I really just have like trash here. But this is the Alani Kim Aid. I love anything Kim, so I had to keep that. This is a little crown Adriana gave me. Adriana, I don't remember when you gave me this crown, but it's so cute, and I just have this here now because, yeah, it's cute. I found this little treasure. Of course, I don't know if you guys know this. I don't know if I've talked about this too much, but I am a photographer, and I love anything photography, so this was super cute, and I just, like, needed it for this area. We're kind of getting to the last couple things over here. I told you guys, it's not, like, super exciting, but this is, like, what I have displayed. I have... Oh, these fell over, of course. These are the Winx Club glosses that I bought. And, of course, I don't know if you were a Winx... You either were a Winx girl or you weren't, but I got Aisha and Stella, the two colors. I have them somewhere. I'll link my Winx video down below so you can see those too. My ancient copy of Speak Now with... You want to know something so funny? The CD isn't even in here. I don't even have the CD. But there is Speak Now. This is before Taylor's version. Of course, Taylor's version just came out. But I have this. This is from 2010. Isn't that crazy? What a crazy time. But I have that display. That'll always be like a treasure to me. That was like when I first became... This is what like solidified me being a Taylor Swift fan. There is a box down here that my best friend Tanya gave me. Okay, so there's the stuff on there. But this is the box that Tanya gifted me when she asked me to be a groomsman in her wedding. And that was a whole thing, and it was really exciting. But thank you, Tanya. Kept the box because, again, nice box. What am I going to do? Throw it away? No, we're not doing that. Coming down to, like, the last little corner over here, we have a little bit of, like, some randomness. So I did a video a couple years ago on the Peanuts and Wet n Wild collab, and, of course, I had to keep the box because it has Snoopy. So I had to keep the box, of course. And then I have just some, like, random boxes that I wanted to keep because it just, like, made sense to me. This is from a Profusion brush set that I grabbed. This is so nice. I love the package. Like, it's like sturdy, like, packaging. I've actually reused this a couple times, but, like, this is where the brushes came in. It's nice. Like, I've reused it a couple times. Like, when I went on, like, makeup jobs, I would just put some brushes in here. So I love that. I'm gonna move this. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Whatever. So I have, can you see? Yeah, there's like this acrylic here that I took from Ulta because they let me. So this is now just like a riser that I have here. I have a couple boxes. This is from the Kylie Cosmetics and Wizards of Oz palette. I have this video linked. I'll link this video too because I really did like this collection. This palette is really nice too. So I wanted to keep it because I love the Wizard of Oz. I think I said that, but the packaging was really, like, thought out, and I really liked it. This is the Jacqueline Strawberry Fields. Again, something, I'm a huge Jacqueline stan, so I have a few different, packages from Jacqueline. I have this, so this was cool. This was a display that we had, on the Jacqueline display, and whenever it was, like, when we're changing it out, I was like, can I keep this? And they're like, yeah. So I was like, yay. But it's just like I think it says like Ulta somewhere. Like, yeah, signage. Jacqueline Cosmetics signage. I have the Dear Mom. This is cool. So I actually got this for gratis at work. I got the Jacqueline Dear Mom palette. And it came in this was like I think this was her online only packaging that came with, you know, the collage of all the moms and then her with her mom. I think this was online only. So I thought it was cool that we got it in store. And then this is super old. Oh my god, it's stuck in the little display thing. But this is like one of the first launches that Jacqueline ever did. This is to the first original 3 highlighter brushes that she has with the brand. There's no date on here. Yeah, there's no date on here, but this is old. This is like from one of the first launches, like I don't even know. Oh yeah, it still does look like this, but this was like one of the first launches, so I thought it was cool and I wanted to keep it forever. And then some other little random things that I have. So Benefit, my friend Mary Lou gave me these Benefit Ice Globe facial rollers. And they came in this box. And you know, I'm like, as you guys have figured out, I'm a sucker for a box. And it's cute. It like, solid. Little ASMR moment. And it says benefit on it. Like, how cute. I have this, so of course you guys know I work for Clinique. And they, every year for Christmas, we get this, like, make your own Christmas box. And this was so cute. I thought the Christmas was so cute this year. So I took a box. And it's filled, yeah, it's filled with the fluff inside because we, you know, put stuff in it. But I thought this was so cute. And I love, like, this Clinique green mint color. So I thought that was really cool. So I kept one. And of course I was just going to use it, like, as display. And now it just lives here in my display. And then back here, oh my god. My brother actually gave me this little anchor that lights up. Yeah. Lights up. Look at that. How cute. But I thought it was cute. And I actually didn't intend for it to live back here. But now it's back here. So I guess it could stay. And then I actually won this at an event. We had an event for Beekman 1802. And this is so cute. Look, it has goatee. And it's a bucket hat. And I don't think I look good in it. So I just have it on display right over here. So that's why it is just on display with goatee facing out. But yeah, that's kind of that's it. That's it for my little shrine. So yeah, that's it for my little shrine. Like I said, it's kind of just, it's thought out, but it's definitely more of like how I like it. It's not exactly the most, I think, aesthetically pleasing or the most like organized. It's definitely organized in the sense that it's not like messy, but I know where everything is, and that's all that matters to me. I think it looks cute. I, again, made the space for me. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters. I intended this to be a little bit of a safe space for me, a little bit of something that I enjoy. So I like it. I'm very happy with it. And I'm so excited to keep like adding things later on. Of course, we have the little space down here. It's a little cluttered at the moment. But I intend to decorate that a little bit better as well with, you know, other things that I find. I have this like Marc Jacobs bag that my friend Norma Jean gave me is definitely gonna go like in this space down here. But, you know, we always got some like organizing to do. And, oh my god, look at this cute little Gucci bag that Norma Jean gave me. Love her. Love you, Norma Jean. But yeah, this will go like, because of course it's too big to go like up here anywhere. So I'm just gonna put it somewhere like down here where it like makes a little bit of sense and it like will fit better. But yeah, so that is it. Like I said, it's not exactly the most exciting thing, but it's exciting to me because this is a space for me. And I'm excited to film in here. I'm excited to give a little bit of a different background now that I have this space set up the way I want it to. And yeah, you can look forward to future videos in this little space. That is all. It's not exactly the most exciting video, but I had fun. And it's a little bit different from my regular content. If you're excited to see videos in this background, let me know down below. Leave some comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.